live for Agulu, wey dey inside Anambra State, for the country home of the Labour Party presidential candidate wey im name na Peter Obi. So where we dey now, we just dey in country home as the candidate don arrive his hometown to as the people take welcome am today. So this place we dey now na Agulu, wey dey inside the Anambra State, and this place na the country home of the Labour Party presidential candidate. Him just dey arrive in country home. So wetin dey happen tomorrow na the presidential election wey dey hold tomorrow for across the country wey be Nigeria. If you remember, INEC bin don fix February 25th to conduct presidential election for the country. So in case you just dey join us, this na Agulu wey dey inside the Anambra State. Agulu na the country home of the Labour Party presidential candidate wey im name na Peter Obi. And Agulu dey inside the Anocha local government. So if you dey watch this, na where the people gather to welcome their own brother wey im name na Peter Obi. So Peter Obi just dey arrive his country home, and the place wey dey na Agulu for inside the Anambra State. So if you remember, so where we dey na Agulu wey dey for Anambra State, and we dey bring on an update with wetin dey happen as tomorrow be a Nigeria presidential election wey go happen tomorrow. And no be the only election wey go hold there, we go still see the senatorial election and the House of Rep election too tomorrow wey go happen for the country. So this place we dey na the Labour Party presidential candidate wey im name na Peter Obi, and na Agulu wey im from, and na the community wey dey so as im people welcome am as im take land ahead of tomorrow election, so that him too go fit exercise im franchise. So we say make we dey give una update with wetin dey happen for Agulu and wetin dey happen for Anambra State. So where we dey na Agulu, wey be the country home of the Labour Party presidential candidate. And so in case you just dey join us, this na BBC News Pidgin, and today live for Agulu wey dey for Anambra State, and Agulu dey inside Anocha local government area. And the place wey dey like this na where the Labour Party presidential candidate come as im people take welcome am as he land in home today ahead of tomorrow election. So wetin dey happen tomorrow na the presidential election wey go take place tomorrow wey be 25th February, and the Labour Party presidential candidate e dey for here, and as the people take dey welcome am as tomorrow wey be the election. So if you dey watch this na Agulu wey dey inside the Anambra State, and Agulu na where the Labour Party presidential candidate from. So in case you just dey join us, this na BBC News Pidgin, and we dey live for Anambra State wey the election for the country, the elections wey dey hold for Anambra State, and where we dey na Agulu wey be the country home of the Labour Party presidential candidate wey im name na Peter Obi, as he come make im people welcome am, say him don land so that he go exercise im franchise tomorrow. So Anambra State, and this na the country home of the Labour Party presidential candidate wey name na Peter Obi, and he just land his country home as im people just give am warm welcome based on say him too go exercise im franchise tomorrow for Agulu wey be say na the place wey from, and in case you just join us, this now Agulu wey the Labour Party presidential candidate from, and his name na Peter Obi, as he arrive in country home so that he go exercise im franchise tomorrow. So wetin dey happen tomorrow na the general election wey INEC bin don fix, and INEC na the electoral body wey dey for Nigeria wey say they dey in charge to conduct the election, and then Peter Obi just arrive in country home as they welcome am based on say him too go exercise im franchise tomorrow. And the area wey we dey so na one busy area for Agulu wey be say the Agulu Central Girls School dey too for close to this area, and the convoy wey dey see so na the convoy of the Labour Party presidential candidate wey name na Peter Obi, and as him dey arrive in country home na just for him to greet him people. So we go dey give una update with wetin dey happen for Agulu as we don dey here gidigba to give una information with wetin dey happen for Agulu and how the election go dey happen for this area. Updates with wetin concern election matter for Anambra State as we don dey here to cover the election. So we go dey give una update and everything wey dey happen for Agulu where the Labour Party presidential candidate from. Una good evening.